Hi, fifth graders. It's social studies time again. We've been studying the American Revolution. We know the causes and effects. We know how it started. We know who was involved. And we know how the women played a significant role in the American Revolution. Today, we're going to start our research project. You will be researching one specific person from the American Revolution to present your information on. You need to talk specifically about their contributions to the American Revolution. This is a multiple step project, so listen up. At this time, go to the top of your website, click on the project button. You will then see the 8 steps that we're going to complete in order to create our final presentation. Take a few minutes and look at the 8 steps. I want you to take careful note of the dates that each of these steps are to be completed. We have already done 2 of these steps in class. Today, we're going to be doing 3 more, which leaves you with only about 3 steps to complete. We should have plenty of time to complete these steps. Remember, all the information that you are collecting needs to be saved either on a Google Doc on your iPad or on a worksheet. Also, remember to be thinking about the type of tool you're going to use to create this project. It must be created on your iPad, no exceptions. Okay, so back to those steps. We have about 6 left to complete. 3, we are going to start today with Mrs. Patterson. This is going to be fun. We have QR codes, a web quest, and a blogging activity. Now, after we've finished these 3 in-class steps, you will then use a handout that I give you to further your research on the one specific person you have chosen as your main character for your presentation. Now, let me tell you this. You will have both in-class time and at-home time to work on this project. The final due date for this project, wait for it, is not until February 22nd. We have lots of time. It is in your best interest to use your time wisely. Now, the next thing I need to tell you, you need to share this website and this video with your parents. So, what I suggest you do at this time is save this website on your iPad to your home screen. If you don't remember how to do this, Mrs. Patterson and I will be happy to help you. Now, when you get home this evening, you are going to share this website and these videos with an adult. They may then finish reading through the website with you to get all the rest of the information you need to create a fabulous presentation. A couple of other things you need to know. There are several links on this website getting you to the information that you're going to need and use for your presentation. Now, the information in your presentation can come from a multitude of different places. You do not have to use just the websites I provided specifically for you in this website. You may use other sources of information, such as your social studies book, other encyclopedias or old books or information that your parents have, or other sites not listed on this website. You will also find on this website the grading rubrics for these steps in this project. There are 2 rubrics set out for you. The first rubric outlines the criteria you need in order to succeed in collecting all the information you need. So that includes your participation and the information you've gathered as we do our research steps, the QR code activities, the weblogs, and the blogging. The second rubric is the grading rubric for the final presentation. This rubric outlines the information, the content you need to have in your project, the actual project creativity itself, and your speaking and listening skills during project presentations. Let me also tell you this. You may choose any type of tool to present your final project. What I mean by this is it can be a book creator. It can be explain everything. It could be Keynote. It could be Google Docs. It could be anything. Prezi, Powtoon. What are some of the other ones we've used in class? Lots of different things. It's your choice. You may write an essay on Google Docs and submit it to Google Classroom if that's the route you choose to take. Remember that, as always, spelling, grammar, and proper formatting always count. So, are we ready to get started? Because I think we have a lot to do. Good luck, 5th graders. I look forward to seeing you at the end.